Here we go again. Let's see if the old girl will start after a layoff for a week or so. Pretty cold, about 6 degrees. Just to introduce you again. 1972 T100R 500 Triumph Daytona. Usually starts pretty well, but it's cold. There's no choke, so it could be, we'll see. Give it a good tickle. Both carbs. Just turn the engine over slightly, just to give it a run. Free the clutch. And see what happens. Ignition. Find the top spot. Try this one. Oh! Yes. Good girl. First kick, eh? Wow. Just warm her up before I give her any revs. See how she goes.